Hello guys and welcome. My name is Damilare and today we are going to be unboxing the Anker Soundcore Spirit Bluetooth earphones. Well, I've been using this particular device for over a year. I gave the one I was using out and I decided to get a new one, and I decided why not do an unboxing video for this device. I posted about 2 reviews about this device on my Instagram, which you can follow me. The link in my description and also my handle will be on the video right now. So I decided to do an unboxing video for you guys to see what this device comes with and what it offers. And I can say that I've recommended this Bluetooth earpiece for a lot of people, and all I've been getting are positive results. So let's dive into the unboxing video and see what the device has to offer. Straight up, you see that the device is a sweat proof earphones, which means you can use this while gymming or taking your morning runs or evening runs, and your sweat won't affect the efficiency or damage the earpiece in any way. And it comes with of course it's a Bluetooth earphone, and it lasts 8 hours on Playtime. The support of the soundboard in your ears, it has this incredible feel, and you don't feel this heavy pain when you use the earphones. So let's go ahead and open this pack and see what's inside. Straight up, you get 2 box. Let me bring out one. This is the charger, so you can connect this to a charger head or just charge straight from your computer or power bank, which contains the other, in case you have small ears or bigger ears than the medium size that is on the device itself, you can just change them out and change them out to this. Or if any get missing by at any point in time, you can just replace them. It comes with a clip, which is an extra clip in case the earpiece is too long and you need to reduce the length, so you can clip that in. Let me just put this into the pack. You find a card from Anker, happy ? Tells you how to contact them, contact information. That's aside, you also have the owner's manual, which if you're interested in reading this, you can go ahead and see what other hidden features it has, and this normal caution written in different languages. But in case you are traveling, you can just put it here and know that your earpiece is safe. So opening it, so yeah, this is the device itself. It comes with a 100 mAh battery, which is quite good. One thing I like about the earpiece is the rope. Yeah, it does not have this band and this strong ones like other devices. I like this because it's, no matter how light that band is, I feel it on my neck. So this, I don't even feel it at all, and it's quite easy to put on and not even remember that you have anything on. So also you have some good magnetic ports here, so you can just wear them and lock them up Yeah, just like that, and enjoy your earpiece. So I'm going to be using this, like I told you before. I've been using them for a while. I gave the one I was using out and decided to go for another one. The charging slot is just here, just by the side, and it's well designed to accommodate everything. You have the volume controls, the pause and play button. It also has an incredible mic, and you don't have problems receiving calls. Apart from the amazing build quality that this Anker Soundcore Spirit has, it has amazing sound quality. I hardly use it to listen to music, but when I do, it sounds amazing and clear. I drive a lot, so I mostly use them for phone calls, and they are always on my neck because I hardly feel them on my neck. That's just one cool thing I like about it. So if you're considering getting a Bluetooth headphone, you should consider this, and I hope you enjoy it. So if you liked what you watched and you would love to see more, please kindly hit on the subscribe button below the video. This way of supporting my channel and making my channel grow. If you like the video, hit on the like button, comment. I would like to see your comments. I'll reply your comments, and also share the video. Thank you very much. I remain Damilari. See you next time.